yun nga, nag-swipe right ako, tapos nakita ko yung profile picture ni Nick, tapos ni-stalk ko siya. He got like 3 photos. Verified yung profile niya dun sa Pinalove dating app, guys. Yan. Nakita ko din yung mga photos niya. May hawak siyang isda. Tinatawag niya rainbow trout, ganon. Tapos tinanong ko yun, ako na nag-approach, diba? Kasi gano'n naman pag interesado ko sa yung tao. Siyempre, ikaw mag-approach, ganon. Tapos tinanong ko sa kanya, what do you call the name of the fish that you're holding? Ganon yung tanong ko. Tapos nag-reply agad siya. Tapos that time, parang almost midnight na sa kanila sa US. Kaya parang lang yung nag-exchange kami ng message, parang short lang siya. Tapos ganun nga. Tapos feeling magaan yung magaan yung loob ko sa kanya that time, guys. Parang when you meet, when you know someone, parang alam mo siya na yun siguro. Parang nga sabi no, siya na yun, ganon. And he's here. I'm not live, don't worry.
Well, that was easy.
Huh?
That was good. It's a good thing I didn't book the other place.
You will stay here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Don't have to move till Friday.
Yeah. So, ayun guys. Yun,
And it was only 72,000 this time.